upbeat background music plays. Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into a battle of the titans, Sony style. In the left corner, we have the legendary Sony A7 III, the full-frame beast that's incredibly popular among photographers. And in the right corner, the ultra-portable and friendly Sony Alpha ZV-E10, which is designed with content creators in mind. So grab your popcorn, because it's time for the ultimate showdown: mirrorless madness. First up, let's talk about the price. The A7 III will set you back a whopping $1,899. Many users appreciate its exceptional performance, especially in low-light conditions, and feel it's worth every penny. However, some caution potential buyers to be careful with sellers due to past issues with product quality. On the other hand, the ZV-E10 is much more wallet-friendly at $799, making it an attractive option for those who want quality without the hefty price tag. Reviewers rave about its versatility and how it makes vlogging easy and accessible without breaking the bank. Now let's talk sensors. The A7 III boasts a stunning 24.2 megapixels full-frame sensor that delivers exceptional image quality, especially in low light. Users have praised it as the best camera they've ever held, comparing it favorably to Canon models. Meanwhile, the ZV-E10 has a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor, which is great for vlogging and casual shooting, but it doesn't quite match the A7 II's full-frame capabilities. Reviewers appreciate the ZV-E10 for its lightweight design and ease of use, making it a great choice for those who prioritize portability. Next up, video capabilities. The A7 III can shoot up to 10 frames per second with fantastic autofocus, making it a favorite among serious videographers. Users have reported its strong performance in various shooting conditions. In contrast, the ZV-E10 shines with its ability to shoot 4K video oversampled from 6K, which is perfect for vlogging. Reviewers love its product showcase mode that allows for quick focus transitions, making it ideal for showcasing products. The ZV-E10 also includes features like a vari-angle LCD screen and good audio capture options, which are essential for content creators. Now, let's talk user-friendliness. The A7 III is like a luxury sports car. If you can figure out how to drive it, you'll feel like a rock star. Some users find it complex due to the number of features. But on the flip side, the ZV-E10 is as easy to use as a pop-up toaster. Reviewers frequently highlight its simple setup for live streaming and vlogging, making it accessible for anyone, even those new to photography or video. In summary, the reviews for both cameras highlight their strengths and target audiences. The A7 III is celebrated for its outstanding image quality and low-light performance, making it a top choice for serious photographers. However, some users have experienced issues with product reliability. Meanwhile, the ZV-E10 is praised for its versatility and ease of use, making it an excellent option for vloggers and casual shooters. So there you have it, folks. The Sony A7 III is the heavy hitter for serious photographers and filmmakers, while the Sony ZV-E10 is the budget-friendly, user-friendly vlogging companion. Are you a serious content creator or a casual shooter? Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more content. Until next time, keep buying smart and living large. Unless it's on avocado toast. Upbeat music fades out. See you in the next video.